Alright, so congratulations to myself. I just got 1.2k subscribers, and you can see over here that I've reached 1.2k subscribers on my YouTube channel. And thank you very much, guys, for being with me for all this while since that I stopped posting on the first channel. Thank you very much, guys, for being with me. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get all the anti-detect browsers that you can use in CPA marketing. Self-clicking. So if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, like the video as well, and turn on bell icon so that whenever I drop an amazing video like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube will send notifications instantly, guys. So without further ado, let's dive into today's strategy. And don't forget to visit my website at www.globalhealthywealth.com, globalhealthywealth.org, globalhealthywealth.org. So you can find this article, the video that we're going to do today. You can find this article on my website. You can just read through it and you can get all the details. If you find it very difficult to use, you find it very difficult to watch the video, to replicate whatever I'm going to show you, you can go to the website and just read the article and you get better understanding from the website. So let me click on it first. So you can see over here it says top 5 anti-detect browsers for self-click in 2024. Alright, so now the first browser on our website is ADS Power. So I will just click on that. You can click on that, and straight as that is going to open a new window like what you see right now. So I'm just going to show you how you can sign up to this browser and how you can set everything up over there. So they have a lot of browsers out there that are anti-detect, but I'm just going to show you the most popular or the powerful anti-detect browsers out there that you can use to make money online as a CPA marketer doing self-clicking. So what you need to do when you click on that, they have two versions over here. They have phone version, and then we have the email version over here. So you can use your phone number by just selecting the country code from this drop down menu over here, and right after doing that you can enter everything and make sign up to this platform, adspower.org. So let me go back to this section. He says ADS Power allows its users to create multiple profiles with unique fingerprints and on Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. So they have comprises of all the 4 operating devices that you can use to make money online as a complete beginner. Because when you go to the CPA platform like CPA Grip, you can see that most of the offers CPA Grip or CPA Lead. Okay, let me go to CPA Grip because that's the most common CPA marketing platform out there. So let me wait for it to load. While it's loading, take this advantage to subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so you can see that. Let me log into my account, and we are going to use these two platforms to show you everything step by step. Alright, so on CPA Grip account, you can go to this section where it says offer tools. Alright, let me go to offer tools and click on my offer, and straight as that you can see over here that some of the offers are in iOS, Android, computer, and then the rest. So that's why I'll recommend you use this first browser that I showed you. So what you need to do when you want to sign up to this browser is you just have to type in your email address over here, fill in this captcha, and then hit on this get code over here. So the email that you use, the get code, when you click on this get code, the code will come into your email address. So let me log into my email and show you how I was able to get this code done, or I was able to get this code onto my browser, and how I was able to sign up to this browser. So let's wait for it to load. Alright, so you can see that I've already signed up to this browser over here. So let me go straight to this email address right over here. All right, guys, so you can see that he says this was the code that was being sent to me as verification code. So that is it, and that's how you can sign up to this platform. As after that, you just choose your password. The referral code, when you click on my link, is going to be um, very simple for you. You don't have to type in any referral code over here. So if you want it, I will leave it in the description below. You can click on that, and I will leave all the links in the description below, so you can click on that and join these platforms. As simple as that. After doing that, you just have to hit on sign up, or you can use your Google account to sign up. As simple as that. So let me log into my account right now to show you how everything works. So I just have to log into my account right now. All right, so this is the code. I just have to copy it, go back to the browser, just paste it over here, and hit on that. So you can see now it's loading, so I just have to save this in order for me to be very easy whenever I'm trying to log into my account. So I'll save this password over here. Now you can see I've been landed on my account. So what I love about these people is that they have the proxies over here. They have the extension. So if you want their Chrome extension, you can download their extensions. And if you don't know any extension, these are the extensions. In order for you to use it very well, you can upload their extension onto your platform over here. And they have the proxies. You can set up your proxy. If you want to change your location to another location, you can set up, you can add your proxies over here. You check your proxy if they are available over here. So let me go to the proxy list over here to show you. All right, so if you have a proxy, so you can, they comprises of all the proxies over here. They have the HTTP, and then HTTPS and SSH and SOS5. They have it over here. So these are the top 4 proxies they only support. These are the best or the top proxies that are on market right now and most people are using. So these are the proxies that they are using. So it's very simple. All you need to do is to go to your proxy services and just copy your proxy details. So the proxy service I'll recommend for you is Smart Proxy. It's the Smart Proxy. So if you want me to do a video on it, I'll just show you. I'll just record a video on it and show you how you can sign up to Smart Proxy. This is the best or the proxies that I've used before, and it's very best for me. So you can also, I'll recommend for you guys, and you can also go and use it. So you have SOS5 as like what I showed you on the platform earlier on. So now let's move on to another browser. The second browser is GoLogin. So all the browsers work like the first one. So you just go with the first method that I showed you. You just sign up for a free account, or you just sign up for account, or you can go for the paid version. So this one gives you free, risk-free 7-day trial. So it's easy to start with no credit card required. So you don't have to type in any credit card. You just have to sign up for an account, and right after doing that, you can get your account created. And what you need to do is to download the app on your computer, and simple as that, you can just make money with it. So we have the Dolphin Anty. Dolphin Anty Detect browser is also most popular for CPA marketers, like what we want to make money on it with. Now you can see the anti-detect browser for affiliate marketing purposes. On you can create multiple accounts on Google, you can create multiple accounts on TikTok and all the browsers, Facebook and all the social media icons. You can create multiple accounts using Dolphin Anti-Detect browser. The reason why most people like creating multiple accounts is that sometimes a single account cannot help you rank on Google. So sometimes you just have to get multiple accounts in order for you to use that account being created to like or follow your account in order for you to rank on Google. That's the reason why I recommend you use multiple accounts. And sometimes if you promote you use multiple accounts in promoting an offer on CPA marketing network, it's very easy for you to get conversions because all the offers are having different followers, or all the accounts are having different followers. So it's very easy for you to get more people onto your links than using one account. So another browser here is Ghost browser. So you can just go out there and search for Ghost browser, and also goes with the same as Dolphin Anti-Detect, and then GoLogin, and the first one that I showed you on this platform YouTube video. So you can see we have the Multilogin X browser over here. It's very easy for you to use, and it's very secure, and nothing or no computer can detect your browser if only you are using it wisely. And it's being this is how you can set up this browser. Step 1 says register an account and fill out your registration form and click on create an account. And step 2 says get a subscription or get a plan. So when you talk of plan, you have the paid version. You can, if you want to use a platform for your convenience, you can use a paid version of that platform, and that's going to help you to make more money as compared to the free version, because free versions, some of them are having restrictions on certain things. You can't do certain things on this. But as for this one, they give you free trials on with free 3 profiles. So for 7 days. So after 7 days, your trial will expire, and if you don't pay for it, you can't operate on this platform again. So that's how everything works. And if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section of the video, and like the video in order for us to reach more people. And you can see we have reached the 1.2k subscribers that I was talking about, or I was looking for. Thank you very much, guys, for following me from day one, from the first channel. Thank you very much, like Derek, and then the rest, for supporting me for all this while. Thank you very much. Love you guys, and see you in my next video. See you in my next view, and until I see you in my next video, don't forget that I do love you guys. Bye bye for now. Stay safe and peace out.